What's up, YouTube? Pastor Bob. So, today's video is on this Troy-Bilt chainsaw. 42 cc's, 18-inch bar. Comes with a sheath and your scratch. I drilled a hole here and stuck it through here. It doesn't come out, see? So that way is a good place to hold it. So if you're ever wondering, that's what I did. Drilled a little hole there, a little hole in the bottom. Good place to keep your wrench. 18-inch bar. It's all set up. Got some pretty, I don't know, I guess they're sturdy enough. Draw spikes, but I picked it up cheap. I think I paid 150 bucks for it. Actually, I didn't buy just one. I bought 3. Did I need them? No. I always, whenever I get a good deal on something that's cheap, you know, I usually just buy a bunch of them. And I got free shipping. I mean, you can't beat that. You know. Somebody could go to the yard sale and say, hey, you got any new chainsaws or used chainsaws? I said, yeah, I got brand new ones, 150 bucks. Gives them a good chainsaw, right? Anyway, has a primer bulb. And it says right here, 10x, that means to push this primer 10 times. Which I've never started it yet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times, it's full. On and off switch. Runners up. Stop is down. Well, you gotta pull in, push down, pull out to pull the choke back. Okay? Pull back, it's got a brake right here, chain brake. That's what this is called for people who don't know. Push it forward that quick, locks your chain on your bar. Works really good. Got gas here, 40 to 1, and then your bar and chain oil, which I usually only use, you know, used oil up. You know, used car oil. I just filter it through so there's no metal in it, and that's what I usually do. So I already filled it up. I'll take you over here. Ooh, got you going all over the place here. Twisting you up. All right. See if we can give her a start. How many pulls it takes? 3 pulls. 5 pulls. Has an automatic oiler too. I'm going to take you out in the woods here. Up this tree. We'll get this tree out of here. All these laurels. See how well it does. See me a little bit better. Up this little stuff. Usually working pretty good. Don't seem to be having too many problems with it. Just kind of showing you guys pretty much what it'll do. Try to run through a tank with you. You know, that way you guys can They see what a tank will go through, right? Little stuff here, guys. Screw you back here a little bit. There we go. trying to cut a tank full, see how much we get. That way, give you guys an idea. Oh, hot. Tell you what. Right back. take you up on the back of the truck. See the gas. Very little bit left. Just a little tiny bit. So, if you think about it, that ain't too bad. 30 minutes took me. I'm about wore out because it's freaking like 15 degrees out. I'm freaking. Oh. A little chainsaw. Little Troy built. 42cc. TB4218. 18 inch. Brand new model. Let's take the stuff off here. Now back the truck around. And we'll see what we get. See what we get for see what we get for wood on the back of the truck. Got this pile, that pile there. So guys thrown in there so you can see. See what I'm doing here. Oh, that's the funny thing about burning wood, I'll tell you. You gotta pick it up, put it in, take it out, put it in, take it out, put it in. I'll tell you what, my old back feels it. Tell you what, nothing worse than having those things hit in the face. Dead laurel branches, oh my God, they're terrible. I hope you guys' day went good. Might be 10 years down the line if somebody's watching this video. but I wanted to show you what it looks like on the truck. Not just cut it up. Show you on the ground. Anybody can spread it all over the ground. Yeah. Man, I don't know if you guys cut wood at your house. Good exercise. But let me say this. I've been cutting wood since I was 10 years old. And I'm 57, I'll be 58. So, 48 years of doing it. I learned from arborists in my family who've been cutting wood for many years. So, I don't use gloves most of the time unless it's extremely cold because I'm moving. Try to dress in layers. Don't overdress yourself when it's really, really cold out. You want to layer yourself because when you cool down, if you're not going right in after that, you can get sick. So remember that. Dress in layers. Use safety equipment. You know, most people, you know, you'll see them with a helmet on, face mask, gloves, chaps. That's the right way of doing it. Don't do it the way that I'm doing it. Do it the correct way. Go see an arborist or go get a safety course on how to use a chainsaw. I do it my way. I've been doing it for a long time. Back when I started, I had a Husqvarna 65 that was my uncle's that I ran all the time. And they had no chain brake. And I got a cut across the back of my leg from where it snagged me up. So, I'm just telling you, be cautious. Use safety equipment. If you get spacey when you do stuff, or if you're not really skilled, go get yourself a course. Don't take the chance. Think that you know. Because those saws, no matter how big they are or how many cc's they got, I'm telling you right now, they will get you. So remember that. I gotta be a long video. But I wanted you guys to see from time my sergeant saw, cut a gas full, you know, tank full of gas, in the chainsaw, load it on my truck, how long it takes. That way, you guys get an idea. Based on, you know, how far away it is from your truck. It kind of gives you a rough idea. Using chainsaw, cutting it up. Now, yeah, some of the pieces are going to probably need to be split, but you know. Outside of that, most of it will be burnt. I mean, really and truly, I could put some big logs on there. That's all my burning. But I'm pretty impressed with the little saw. Works pretty good. Didn't have any problem, cut right through it. I mean, look. Biggest I cut was probably 10 inches. So, I'm pretty impressed with it. Now, some people say, oh, I got Chinese chainsaw for $100. Well, you might get lucky. Problem. Not all chainsaws are alike. Not all of them use the same grade of chain. They don't run the same chain, run the same bar, and they don't have the same parts as other chainsaws. So keep that in mind when you're purchasing a chainsaw. Joy belt's been around a long time. Like I said, I use Husqvarna most of the time. I have a few other chainsaws, but I was brought up with Huskies. I have a Echo and a John Surratt and a Stihl, but most of the time I just run Huskies. But I don't have no problem running this one. Joy belt works good. For the price, for somebody at home, around the house, trying to cut up some firewood, and it ain't real huge, 16 inches or under, I don't think you have a problem. Biggest thing with any chainsaw is making sure that it's sharp. That's really important. That it's sharp and that your rakes are level, right? That you sharpen it properly and that you take your rakes down when necessary. That's really important. There's some other videos out there on YouTube that'll teach you about that. But I'm just bringing that point up to you guys. Can't scan it. And don't be lazy. Look. Lazy people drive the chain down into the ground. Whether it's dirt or rocks, it'll dull that chain. Cut halfway through, turn it over, finish your cut. Pretty easy. You drive it down in there, in the ground, and you dull that chain. If you're not good at sharpening the chain, it's going to take you extra time. Stop what you was doing and have to go and resharpen it. Alright, let me get this one. This file here. I wonder if I got enough left in here that I can turn this dead bush. Still has gas in it. I can't believe it. Still moving right along. Tell you what, lasts a long time. Pretty impressed with that. probably hurt me for a week. Oh, good God. That cut. There we go. Third of a cord. Around there. Not too bad. Quarter of a cord maybe. So I would say it probably cut you, depending on how much limbing you have to do, maybe about half a cord per tank. It's not bad. By the way, I'm not sponsored by Troy Built, or anybody else for that matter. But I just want to show you guys, you know, what a $150 chainsaw will do. See how long it took us. Whew, it's hot. Let's see how long it took us. Took us 49 minutes. From the time I started the saw, gassed it up, started the saw, cut it, and put it on. Not too bad. So there you go. There you have it. There's your Troy Built TB4218, 42cc, 18-inch bar. Comes with a sheath, scabbard, a scrunch, and the saw. Got directions in there. And it also comes with a little tube of 40-to-1 chainsaw mix for 1 gallon. So not bad. 150 bucks, can't go wrong. That's how much wood I got. So I'd say pretty close to a quarter of a cord. So there you have it, guys. Like, share, subscribe. Take care. And start to finish, quarter of a cord. Not bad. 45 minutes. Alright guys, take care. God bless. It's Pastor Bob. Be safe out there. Make sure you get some training, guys. I'm telling you, safety is really important. We'll see you in the next one. Like, share, subscribe. Pastor Bob, and I'm out of here. See ya.